few months later. Yes, a few months because it took me that long to actually release that video. You probably have seen these lights I'm going to talk about in previous BTS videos, especially if you are a premium member of the blog. So I've used them multiple times already in the past. So the question now is, how do I use them now? To partially answer this question, let's jump right in one of my latest fitness photo shoots. Michelle is not new to my work. It's our third time working together. For this session, I brought with me a few flashes and of course the RGB tube LED lights, but I ended up only using one flash, the Godox AD 1200 Pro plus the parabolic P158. For this session, I wanted to play with colors, I wanted to play with color temperatures, and I really love doing that with RGB tube LED lights or RGB lights in general because you see the changes that you make right away on your scene. I've reviewed or at least shared my thoughts on other RGB tube LED lights in the past. You've seen the Nanlite Pavo tubes, the first ones, a few times already. But I've switched to the TL120s by Godox and got two Godox TL120 K4 kits. The case they are sent in is amazing and contains everything you need. Your lights are safe, and I also use them for video, which makes them really versatile. I also got the grids for more control and use these tubes solo in pairs or in groups of 4. I've also used them multiple times as props, especially during home sessions. For this one, things will be a little bit different because we are not stuck at home. I have a total of 8 RGB tube LED lights. I said it earlier, I own 2 K4 kits. I really love these TL120s. They are well built and they are so easy to use, especially with the app. Am I becoming lazy? Maybe a little. If you want to play with colors, these will give you great results fast. Here is a quick look at what is included in the kit. You will most certainly see these lights again and again in future productions. I use them for both photography and video, but if you want to see content, images, behind the scenes footage made with them right now, head to the blog. And if you want to learn more about these lights, go straight to Godox's website. You will find everything there. Have you ever used RGB tube LED lights? And if yes, tell us why. And if no, please tell us if you plan on using them in future productions. Share your stories in the comments below. We are interested. I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and please have a good one.